Hello and welcome back to the MCPL Culinary Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we have yet another delicious and easy recipe, white lasagna.
Yes, my favorite. And this recipe includes some super beneficial ingredients. One of my also favorites, spinach.
Spinach benefits include boosting brain health due to its high levels of antioxidants.
It also supports that wonderful gut health we all need and helps maintain healthy blood by providing iron for hemoglobin.
Well, let's get this delicious recipe started.
Yes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Lightly oil an 8x8 baking dish. Place a saucepan over medium heat. Add butter, and once it's melted, stir in your garlic and flour. You're going to have to watch this very carefully. Cook for about 30 seconds. Then gradually whisk in the milk, remove from heat, and add Parmesan, cream cheese, and spinach. Stir all of this in until the spinach is wilted. In a medium saucepan, sauté your onions, peppers, and mushrooms until tender. Season with some Italian herbs and salt and pepper.
Now we're on to assembling the lasagna.
Yes.
But first we need to whisk an egg and ricotta in a small bowl until well blended.
Yes.
We'll spoon in our sauce, top with lasagna noodles, followed by the ricotta, chicken, veggie mixture, mozzarella, Parmesan, and sauce. We'll repeat the layers one more time and pour the remaining sauce and parm over the top of the noodles.
Now, bake uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes until the sauce is bubbling. Let the lasagna cool for 15 to 20 more minutes before serving. But I need something on the side with this, Mom.
Well, of course, you can serve this with a side salad or vegetable of your choice and watch the happy faces appear.
Like mine. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count.